Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Escape from Tarkov error code 1000. The error reads either critical error receiving profile data, close the game and contact us at forum 1000, backend error, or simply backend error. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch the game. Many users have reported that they were able to play a raid without any issues, but suddenly the game stopped working and started showing this error. According to our research, the error seems to be related to server-side data processing issues. To deal with the error, the first thing you should try is restarting your device and checking if the error still occurs. If the issue persists, ensure that Escape from Tarkov is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, install it and try launching the game again. If updating doesn't fix the issue, try verifying the game files from the Battlestate Games launcher. Open the Escape from Tarkov launcher. Then look for the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Then start the verification process and wait for it to complete. Once done, restart the game and check if the error is gone. If the error continues, then another solution is to clear the game cache and delete all logs from the logs folder. Navigate to the Escape from Tarkov installation folder. Look for the logs folder and delete all the files inside it. Relaunch the game and see if the issue is resolved. If the error still doesn't resolve, check your loadout in the game. Some users reported that certain gear pieces might become incompatible with the kit due to updates or glitches, so simply remove all your gear. Then equip them back one by one. If any specific item is causing the issue, try removing it and launching the game. If the error still persists, visit status.escapefromtarkov.com and check if there is an ongoing server issue. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. If none of the previous steps work, contact the Escape from Tarkov support team and create a technical support request for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.